My name is Saad Moazam, and I am the team manager for the Aggielanders team planning to compete in Shell Eco Marathon Asia 2019. Our car name is the EcoPod, and we're planning on competing in the battery electric urban concept category. This short vehicle overview video will serve the purpose of showing the Shell Eco Marathon selection committee where we stand as a team and with regards to progress made in designing and building our vehicle. This is a short outline of the video. I'll be rushing through this section because the main purpose of this is the actual video of our progress that we've made, which will be shown at the end of this short presentation. This is, first of all, a photo of our progress so far. This is an aluminum 6061 rolling chassis with Michelin tires and alloy rims. This is what we've done so far in order for us to be able to now add the other subcomponents of our vehicle. This is the design of the chassis seen previously. Once again, it is a aluminum 6061 chassis where the aluminum pieces are bolted or riveted together, and it is made entirely of square channels. This is some details about the assembly. Here we have the design that we've created for the body of the vehicle. This design will be manifested by using vacuum thermoforming. Vacuum thermoforming will be used because it is an in-house method of manufacturing that we have available on campus, and since we have the required structural strength and rigidity from the aluminum chassis, uh, this will allow us to keep the weight as low as possible. These are just some different configurations for the material that we explored, as well as some interfaces. As for the steering, these are some necessary calculations, and this is a detailed SolidWorks drawing of the steering assembly. Not the steering assembly, this is the steering shaft, and these are the tire rods along with the knuckles. These are interfaces that we've explored and we're taking into consideration when designing and manufacturing the steering mechanism, especially how it relates to the front wheels. As for the brakes, we've explored floating and fixed caliper braking systems, and this is the detailed SolidWorks drawing for our design. We will then a point of serious consideration for us was the fact that the SEM rules now do not allow bicycle brakes. So in order to fulfill this new requirement, we've ordered Willwood brakes for larger vehicles such as motorcycles and ATVs, which will be fully hydraulic and no cables will be involved. As for the powertrain, our design consists of a dual BLDC brushless direct current motor, dual direct drive assembly, and this is a photo of the motors that we've acquired. These are made by the Boma Motor Company, BOMA, and they are rated at 1500 watts and 48 volts. This is a quick overview of the motor controller design. This has been a failure point for Shell Eco Marathon teams from Texas A&M in the past, which is why we are putting all of our efforts into ensuring that our motor controllers are the ones we design and build are completely compatible with the hardware that they're supposed to control. This is a quick summary of the chosen configurations, and now we will move on to the actual video of our progress so far. Thank you.
So based on the CAD designs that we've shown you previously, this is our progress so far. We've been able to design and build this aluminum chassis, and the specific alloy being used is aluminum 6061, which is used both for the channels as well as the base plate of the chassis. The channels are bolted together, whereas the base plate is riveted onto the channels, the cross members of the chassis. Our plan is basically now to develop and build a body for this chassis, which we are planning on doing using polycarbonate, using vacuum forming as a manufacturing method. I'll talk to you more about that during the CAD design video. Now Nadeem will talk about the wheels.
And so in 2016, Texas A&M University of Qatar SEM team purchased 95 ATR16 Michelin tires that were designed specifically for the Shilico Marathon competition. So when they purchased their tires, they purchased like 2 extra pairs. And so these are the tires that we will be using for our vehicle, and we will be using the rims that are designed specifically for these tires. And as Saad mentioned, that the body will be placed on top of this chassis, and we have designed the interface between the two where we will connect the body with the chassis. So it will be just fit right on top of it.